Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. This card is specifically designed to help you establish or improve your credit score. It's a secured card, meaning you provide a deposit, and it comes with the significant benefit of having no annual fee. We'll cover how it works and if it's the right choice for your financial journey. Understanding how this card operates is crucial. You'll make a refundable security deposit, which can be as low as $49, $99, or $200. This deposit helps establish your initial credit line, which will be at least $200. By using the card responsibly and making timely payments, you actively build a strong credit history, which is reported to the major credit bureaus. Let's weigh the advantages and disadvantages. A major plus is the $0 annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, saving you money. It also reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is excellent for credit building. However, be aware of the variable annual percentage rate, which is around 29.74%. Also, this card does not offer any rewards for your purchases. So, is the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card the right fit for you? If you're looking to build or rebuild your credit and can commit to making on-time payments, it's a strong contender. With responsible use, you could even be considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months and potentially upgrade to an unsecured card. It's a tool for financial improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.